What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video, man. It's your boy Khalid, man. You know what I'm saying? And I'm back. You feel me? Today's video, we are going to be adding some drip to the 350Z's interior. You feel me? I've been wanting to do this for a long time, but just never had the time to actually go and buy this mod. I think anybody should do this mod. You feel me? Especially if you still have the stock steering wheel still on the 350Z. Some people like it, but mine just kind of beat up and old, and why not just upgrade the steering wheel? I'm about to show you guys the steering wheel real quick, man. It's super saucy. I think it's one of a kind steering wheel. Let me just show you real quick. So we do got an NRG steering wheel, you know what I'm saying? And first and foremost, I want to say, excuse the wind. It is really windy outside, so if the video is hella windy, I'm sorry. But yeah, man, so look, we got a nice little, look at the box, yo. Come on, man. Look at that box. That box is already dripped. You know what I'm saying? The box already dripped the fuck out. So we got all the stuff that came with it. Let me add this shit on top of it real quick. Hold on. Oh, don't fly away, bitch. All right, let me take. Ooh, look, I already done showed y'all. Cause let me just show y'all this. Look at this damn steering wheel, yo. Look at it, bro. Let me put it in the sun. Oh, fuck. Let me go get that real quick. Just look at this steering wheel. This is super drip. Man, come on, bro. You can't say this ain't no drip, man. Put it down in the comments, man. Let me know if y'all like the steering wheel, man. Comment drip in the comments below. You know what I'm saying? I think this is called the Matsuri steering wheel or something like that from NRG. You know what I mean? Got the NRG logo right there. Also came with some cool stickers. You know what I mean? Cool little stickers right here. Let me put this back in here. I do not want this shit to fly away. Then you got the little horn button. This shit is fucking sick. Came with some hardware. You know, all the little information stuff right here. All the hardware. I also came with all the little sticker shit. Also got a quick release with it too. Let me grab this out of here. Boom. Well, I actually got a short hub. Hold on, let me get this out this box. All right, yo, so we also got a short hub, you know, for the 350Z as well. You know what I'm saying? If you don't know by now, you can't tell. Today's gonna be an install video of how to install an aftermarket steering wheel to your stock steering wheel. You know what I'm saying? So I'm pretty much gonna show you all the stuff you need to do this, man. It's a real easy job, you know. So let's get the tools and everything that you need to do this install. All right, so the main tool that you need is this tool right here, man. It's called a T30 bit or whatever you want to call it, but it's called a T30, right? That's the size. And it's like a little security bolt. That way you're able to get out the airbag. There's two of them. Make sure when you go to the store, make sure it has that little hole right there. You know what I'm saying? So that way you can get the little bolt off. So the bolts are right here. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see that? Zoom in if you have to. Zoom in with it.
Oh.
Can y'all see that? You know what I'm saying? This goes right here. Boom. Undo this one. There's two of them, so one on each side. That's what we're gonna do real quick. You know what I'm saying? All right, guys, so we got this airbag off, but I forgot to say this. Before you go to take this off, make sure you disconnect the battery, because you do not want this shit blowing up in your face. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna end up like Buddy up here. I'm gonna add a picture.
Oh, I was like, who's Buddy?
Yeah, but yeah. So in my case scenario, I don't even have an airbag in here. Previous owner must have took it out. All right, so once you get this off, you want to get your 19mm bolt. You know what I'm saying? Get your impact. Boom. Slide that motherfucker on like this, and then there's gonna be a 19mm bolt right here. I don't know if y'all guys can see it. Right here in the middle. Boom. Slap that off. Now, what I would do, don't take it all the way off, because you gotta have some force pulling the steering wheel off, and you don't want the steering wheel to punch you in your face. you're gonna also end up like Buddy. All right, so you know what I'm saying? You may have to do this a little bit. Boom. You saw how hard I pulled that hoe? That bolt saved me because I would have, yeah, it would have been all bad. So once you do that, you can take the steering wheel completely off. Put your little nut right here. Boom, steering wheel comes off. Now I gotta go get the hub and shit like that. So let me go get the hub. I forgot it. Let me go get it. Alright guys, so wait, does this come off too? I don't know. Yeah, they chop some shit. I don't know. But all right, man, so look, we got this little short hub right here, boom. So, this little dot right here, it pretty much tells you that, you know, the hub is centered. So when you go to put the hub on, you know what I'm saying, make sure that dot lines up. Ooh. Put that bitch on just like that. Get the same nut that you took off before. Slide that bitch on there. We're gonna tighten this bitch right back up. Oh. Make sure it's on there good. Now you got your what's the name? You got your hub on. Now, I guess again for my case scenario, you feel me? The previous owner cut the wires out of it, so I'm not gonna have any wires coming out. But if you still want to keep your horn, let me go get the horn stuff. I'll be back.
Oh my goodness.
All right. Yeah. All right, man. So don't crush me in the comments, right? This is all I have. So right here, man, we got a short. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. Boom. So we have a D&D quick release right here, right? And we're using the NRG hub and steering wheel. Shout out to Evan Shanks because he gave me this a while back for free when I had bought some wheels from him. You know what I'm saying? So I figured like, you know, I'm using it on one of my cars in the future. So it still works. It still lines up. Everything still lines up. Let me get this damn. Okay, cool. So this is one of the hub things or whatever you call this for the quick release. So what you pretty much do is line it up right here to the hub, slap the bolts on. So let's do that real quick because I don't want to confuse nobody. I'm about to confuse my damn self. So let's slap the bolts on and get this shit on real quick. All right, y'all, so we pretty much got this piece on, and what I had to do is pretty much just get this other piece that connects to the steering wheel bolted on. Little bit of confusion because it doesn't have any thread piece right here or anything like that because this is spline quick release. So you pretty much just had to put the little screws through here and put the nuts back here, tighten that down. You know what I'm saying? With this one, on most NRG quick releases, you pull towards you to pull the wheel out. With this one, you got to push down. So you pretty much just push down on it. Boom. We're good. Take it off, push down on it again, pull it out, bam. Now we got a quick release. That was ugly.
Yeah.
All right, guys, so man, the only thing that I don't kind of like, because I kind of wish I could put this on, because it's a part of the damn steering wheel, but it's all good. I'm gonna put this on the one on my 240 in there, so. appreciate you guys for tuning in. Let me know down in the comments if you fuck with that steering wheel, bro. I think, I don't want to say it's a rare steering wheel, but I've never seen that type of steering wheel before. You know what I'm saying? Like I said it again, I think it's called a Matsuri. That's the name of the steering wheel, you feel me? So go on NRG, click in Matsuri and shit, and this one should pop up. I think they got one in like blue and different type of colors, but I like the neochrome because it matches my shift knob and also it matches my hydro e-brake. I also got a short hub for the S13 too. So the S13 also has a quick release from NRG. You do what I'm saying? Hopefully this video helped you, you know what I'm saying, install your aftermarket steering wheel along with your quick release. You feel me? I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys again for tuning in. We are growing slowly but surely. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.